Hello Tech Finers. In recent months, Chat has gained tremendous popularity thanks to its ability to have conversations with users in a fluid and natural way. This artificial intelligence system developed by OpenAI has been adopted by many companies and organizations as a tool to improve interaction with users. But what does this mean for Google? Could Chat be a threat to your browser? In the age of artificial intelligence and machine learning, internet search engines have to constantly adapt to stay relevant. Google has been a market leader for years, but with the advent of Chat, its position is threatened. Chat is an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI, which can autonomously generate text and answer questions intelligently. Microsoft has been using this technology in its Bing browser, and its integration has been very successful. Now, Google is struggling to keep up and has introduced its own AI for natural language processing, BARD. BARD is a language model that uses advanced machine learning techniques to understand and answer user questions. Unlike previous models, BARD can generate natural language responses that appear to be written by a human. However, BARD's technology is still in an early stage of development, and it is not yet clear when it will be available to the general public. Also, while BARD has some nice features, such as the ability to answer questions with information found outside of the original text, whether it will be able to compete with the efficiency of Chat remains to be seen. Furthermore, Chat also represents a threat to Google because it is a tool that can be used on multiple platforms and devices. This means that users don't necessarily have to go to Google to get answers. Instead, they can use Chat through messaging apps, virtual assistants, or even on their own websites. Meanwhile, Microsoft is leveraging Chat technology in its Bing search engine to take on Google. Chat's integration into Bing has been very successful, significantly improving the browser's ability to answer questions and generate accurate results. Bing is using Chat technology to improve conversational search, allowing users to ask questions more naturally and receive more accurate and detailed answers. Furthermore, the Chat technology is also being used in other Microsoft apps and services, such as the Bing chatbot and the Edge app. This means that the technology is embedded in a wide variety of products and services, making it even more difficult for Google to compete with Microsoft's AI and responsiveness. In short, AI technology from Google and Microsoft are competing for dominance in the internet search engine market. Although BARD has some interesting features, it remains to be seen if it will be able to compete with the efficiency of Chat. Meanwhile, Microsoft is taking full advantage of Chat's technology to improve its Bing search engine and other products, which could give it a competitive advantage with Google. Although Google is working on its own artificial intelligence system, BARD, it is still not clear if it will be able to compete with Chat in terms of popularity and functionality. Therefore, Google will have to find ways to keep users interested in its search engine and provide useful and relevant answers that cannot be obtained through other tools.